How to block a website on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to find and tap on Screen Time. Again, scroll down the list until you find Content and Privacy Restrictions, and then tap on it. This specific menu is where you can manually block or limit specific apps, features, and content. At the very top of the Content and Privacy Restriction screen, you will see a switch. Tap on the switch to turn on. Inside this menu, find and tap on the App Store, Media, Web and Games option. Here, find and tap on Web Content. By default, this is set to unrestricted. Select the Limit Adult Websites option. This will reveal new options below. Under the Never Allow section, tap on Add Website. In the URL field, type the full web address of the website you wish to block, and then tap Done. The website will now appear in your restricted list. Following these steps, you can easily block any website on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.